So guys, I'm waiting for my slime package from Punimar shop, and it's a mystery slime package, and I think it's here because I heard a doorbell. So let's go. I think this is it. Wait, I need to take that. Okay, so let's go. It's a mystery package, guys. I'm so excited with this bag. I don't know why. And there I see a golden. Is that a mystery package? So let's. Okay. So this is where I played my slime. So this is all my things. This is inside my slime place. Okay, so let's open it. Okay guys, so let's open this package, and I don't know why it's in this bag. Why it's not in the normal plastics bag? And yeah, if you can see this now, I just found a golden wrap. What? Yeah. And of course there's a note in there. Okay, you guys can look at it. It says from Punimar shop. Hope you like the mystery slime package. He he he. Why there's he he he? Look at it. Why is there's he he he? I don't know, guys. By the way, let's just open it. So yep. I love this plastic. I love this bag. So and I love this golden wrap. It's golden. And ew, it looks. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It's like slippery slime. This is the worst package ever. Look at that. Okay, let's just open this slime, and I will take the camera and see if this is the worst package or not. And there's some green, I don't know. Oops. Ew. Oh my. Ew. There's water in here. What? It doesn't say something though. Oh my god. This is the worst package ever. Ew. What? What is this? What does this even mean? Ew. It's so slippery. What does this even mean? And I can feel the water. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is the water, right? Yeah, there's water and it's smelly. Guys, actually at the Punimar shop, look at, it's already break. Actually at Punimar shop, there's a fart slime, and oh my god, look, it's so slippery. Okay, let me try to smell it. There's a fart toxic slime. I really need to cry, and I need to. Oh my god, the smell I wish you guys can smell this. It's smelly. I can't even take this anymore. I'm going to I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take this. I will give to Movie Italia, and I will throw this thing. Oh my gosh! Like, my slime is not smelly like this, and now my head is sick of this slime. What does this even mean? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, let's go throw this slime now. So let's go, guys. I'm sick of this slime. I don't like this slime so much. Let's just throw it, guys. Okay, guys. So finally we can throw it. Okay, last word for this slime. I don't like your smells. Bye. So guys, that is actually rip-off. Yep, it's a rip-off. I spent like, oh my gosh, that scared me. That actually scared me. Oh my gosh, that scared me so much. Okay, I will say it. How much did I spend of this? I spent the slime like for 10 ringgits. RM10, because I'm a Malaysian, so Malaysians are. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on post notification. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.